I'll put it to you like this. Every motor he's built me, I ain't exaggerating one bit. I've been in the money.
How much money have you won doing this?
A lot. I mean,
that's how I built my shop.
When you really figure it out, all jokes aside, I've had a lot of people build me motors. It's been I've sat behind yet.
We run Tunica and Summertown, Tennessee, up in Kentucky.
He built this one last year that won. I don't know how, that motor he built, one of my buddies, man, it's been awesome. Key dude is he's building a hot motor that'll run cool and he's got it figured out.
What a good drivetrain. Mine's done been painted twice.
that groove right there, ruptured eardrum. I remember that dude.
Oh my God, really?
Yeah,
now I'm worried about my ears.
So you ran in this?
Yes, ma'am. That's my car sitting right there, 5.5, and my dad's BJ5.
So how did you do?
I got Mad Dog, so I guess pretty good.
What is Mad Dog?
Most aggressive driver.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
So you like kick somebody's ass?
No, I just didn't hitting somebody.
Yeah?
Or winning. Well, I don't know. That's insane.
Did you win?
I'll get a trophy.
Yeah?
I didn't get no money, but I got a trophy, so I'll be happy.
What are you going to do with the trophy? Yeah?
He's got a huge garage, so.
What kind of car do you have?
An Oldsmobile?
Yeah, what kind do you drive normally?
Oh, a Ford Escort. It's a little derby tapes. About 1 million of them.
You actually have lots of this on videotape?
Yeah, about 9 years. My dad, BJ5, he's been doing it for about 10 years.
He took second place, and Rob is number 84. He's my son. Took third place.
Your grandson?
Yeah. They've been doing this since they were 5 and 3.
Are you proud of them?
Yeah, we're proud of them.
Cheer for them.
Yeah.
Yeah, now we can get a car.
Hi, Pat.
All right, give me a hug.